Pineapples always just remind us of pina coladas. But did you know they can also be used to pamper your skin? So if you want acne-free, glowing and younger looking skin, all you need is this magic ingredient for some easy home remedies. Remember to do a patch test before using these masks if you have sensitive skin. For this mask, you will need 3/4 cup of pineapple pulp. Pineapple has vitamin C to help fight acne and great exfoliating properties to unclog pores. 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Gram flour or besan helps cleanse dead skin cells, impurities, and treats acne. Mix the pineapple pulp with gram flour for a smooth anti-acne face mask. Apply this mask on clean skin and wait till it dries to wash it off. This mask will surely give you clear and healthy skin. For this mask, you will need 1 cup of chopped pineapple. Pineapple also has hydrating qualities which will keep your skin radiant and smooth. Half a cucumber. Cucumber contains nutrients like biotin and essential vitamins which will nourish and brighten your skin. And 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Malai will cleanse and soften your skin. Blend these ingredients together into a smooth, pasty consistency. And keep it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. For this mask, you will need 1 bowl of chopped pineapple. Pineapples boost the production of collagen and slow down your skin's aging process. 1 egg white. Egg whites have astringent properties that help shrink pores by tightening the skin. 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey contains antioxidants which help control wrinkles and fine lines on the face. Blend all the ingredients together to make a paste. Apply the paste evenly on your face and leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week for younger looking skin. Home remedies have always been our favorite and go-to solution for every skin problem. We hope you liked these 3 amazing yet simple pineapple face masks that will make your skin look gorgeous effortlessly. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.